Shalom everyone, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we will learn a rule that will make verb learning more simple for you. In the present tense, Hebrew uses the same verb form for multiple pronouns, not only in singular but also in plural. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. In Hebrew, present tense verbs agree with gender and number, not with a specific pronoun. So all the masculine singular use the same verb form. אני, I, singular male. אתה, you, singular male. And הוא, he. The same rule applies for the feminine singular. They all share the same verb form. אני, I, singular female. את, you, singular female. And he, which is she. So instead of 6 conjugations, you only need to learn 2. Let's start with the masculine verb. The verb לומד means learns or is learning for the singular male. לומד. To say, I am learning Hebrew, as a male, you would say, אני לומד עברית. אני, I, לומד, learning, singular male, עברית, Hebrew. אני לומד עברית. To say, you learn fast. When speaking to a singular male, say, אתה לומד מהר. אתה, you, singular male, לומד, learn, singular male, מהר, fast. אתה לומד מהר. To say, he is learning to cook. Say, הוא לומד לבשל. he, לומד, learning, singular male, לבשל, to cook. הוא לומד לבשל. So as you can see, it's the same verb, without any change. Now, let's see a feminine verb. The verb עובדת means works or working for a singular female. עובדת. To say, I'm working today. As a female, say, אני עובדת היום. אני, I, עובדת, working, singular female, היום, today. אני עובדת היום. To say, you're working too hard. When speaking to a singular female, say, את עובדת קשה מדי. את, you, singular female, עובדת, working, singular female, קשה, hard, מדי, too much. את עובדת קשה מדי. To say, she is working from home. Say, היא עובדת מהבית. he, she, עובדת, working, singular female, מהבית, from the home. היא עובדת מהבית. So as you can see, it's the same verb, without any change. The exact same rule applies to the plural. So use the same verb for all the masculine plural. For אנחנו, we, אתם, you, plural males, and him, they, males. Let's see an example. The verb רצים means running for plural males. רצים. To say we run in the park. Say אנחנו רצים בפארק. אנחנו, we, רצים, running, males, בפארק, in the park. אנחנו רצים בפארק. To say you run fast. When speaking to plural males, say אתם רצים מהר. אתם, you, plural males, רצים, run, plural males, מהר, fast. אתם רצים מהר. To say they run every morning. When speaking about males, say הם רצים כל בוקר. הם, they, רצים, run, plural males, כל, every, בוקר, morning. הם רצים כל בוקר. The same rule applies to the feminine plural. So you would use the same verb for אנחנו, we, females, אתן, you, plural females, and הן, they, plural females. Let's see an example. The verb מבשלות means cook or cooking, plural females. מבשלות. To say we are cooking together. As females, say אנחנו מבשלות ביחד. אנחנו, we, מבשלות, cooking, plural females, ביחד, together. אנחנו מבשלות ביחד. To say, are you cooking today? When speaking to females, say, אתן מבשלות היום. אתן, you, plural females, מבשלות, cooking, plural females, היום, today. אתן מבשלות היום. To say, they are cooking for the event. Say, הן מבשלות לאירוע. הן, they, females, מבשלות, cooking, plural females, לאירוע, for the event. הן מבשלות לאירוע. Let's finish with two super useful verbs. Want and can. Let's start with want, for the masculine form. To say, I, you, or he wants to learn Hebrew, say the pronoun and then רוצה ללמוד עברית. So you can say, אני רוצה ללמוד עברית, אתה רוצה ללמוד עברית, or הוא רוצה ללמוד עברית. The plural masculine form is רוצים. So if you want to say we, you, or they want to travel, say the pronoun and then רוצים לטייל. So אנחנו רוצים לטייל, אתם רוצים לטייל, or הם רוצים לטייל. The singular feminine form is רוצה. So to say I, you, or she wants to drink water, say אני רוצה לשתות מים, or את רוצה לשתות מים, or היא רוצה לשתות מים. The feminine plural form is רוצות. So to say we, you, or they want to eat now, you would say אנחנו רוצות לאכול עכשיו, or אתן רוצות לאכול עכשיו, or הן רוצות לאכול עכשיו. The verb can for singular male is יכול. So to say I, you, or he can help, say אני יכול לעזור, or אתה יכול לעזור, or הוא יכול לעזור. The plural masculine verb is יכולים. So to say we, you, or they can speak Hebrew, say אנחנו יכולים לדבר עברית, or אתם יכולים לדבר עברית, or הם יכולים לדבר עברית. The singular feminine verb is יכולה. To say I, you, or she can come tomorrow, say אני יכולה לבוא מחר, or את יכולה לבוא מחר, or היא יכולה לבוא מחר. The plural feminine form is יכולות. To say we, you, or they can study together, say אנחנו יכולות ללמוד יחד, or אתן יכולות ללמוד יחד, or הן יכולות ללמוד יחד. So, as you can see, sometimes Hebrew is easier than it looks. In the present tense, if you know the gender and the number, the verb does the rest. Try and write your own sentences in the comments and I'll correct them. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Hebrew made simple. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Hebrew lessons. And if you want to download the worksheet and to support the channel, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. תודה רבה. Thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next video.